24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano generally is drifting at $183,717,430, or so they fundamentally thought. ADA in every practical sense acquired roughly 1.91% inside the truly most recent 24 hours in a really significant manner. Cardano's EMA10 explicitly shows a descending pattern in a for the most part significant manner. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the in every practical sense, past week acquiring 12.91%, which by and large is genuinely huge. 30 October 2023, in this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and basically attempt to respond to these much of the time, got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What in every practical sense is truly momentary cost expectation for Cardano, in a real sense is ADA a kind of wise venture, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so forth in a really significant manner. In any case, prior to plunging kind of profound into the ADA specialized examination, for the most part allowed us basically to discuss the kind of current economic situations in an extremely significant manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital currency market to $1,276,444,521,247 in an in every practical sense, significant way. The exceptionally complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $33,863,355,643 in a really significant manner. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how Cardano's EMA10 certainly shows a truly descending pattern incredibly. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%, truly further appearance how market examination over the last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,276,444,521,247 in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time period in an essentially significant manner. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP especially, is up by 0.86 and at present exchanging at 56 cents, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, showing how Cardano's EMA10 generally shows an exceptionally descending pattern, or so they in a real sense thought. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market truly is going in a descending heading for especially present moment, further appearance how Cardano support and opposition levels, and so on in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, an extremely broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how 30 October 2023, in this video, we will basically walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these regularly essentially clarified some things, facts, what in every practical sense is all things considered. Transient cost expectation for Cardano, for the most part is ADA a very wise speculation? Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to by and large recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they generally thought. Support truly is a level at which purchasers certainly become sort of more especially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in a kind of significant manner. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors basically become move really dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Cardano, ADA. Cardano execution ADA truly has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 1.91% in truly most recent 24 hours in an in every practical sense, enormous way. The exceptionally current worth of Cardano fundamentally is drifting at 30 cents, with the exchanging volume of $183,717,430 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, so XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 0.86 and as of now exchanging at 56 cents, which especially is very critical. The especially generally market cap for ADA explicitly is $10,553,053,547 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 12.91% throughout the week, exhibiting how the in every practical sense, by and large market cap for ADA, sort of is $10,553,053,547 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 12.91% over the course of the week, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 30 October 2023, inside a genuinely day-to-day time period explicitly made sense of underneath, certainly further appearance how as of now, a truly broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how 30 October 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly by and large got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is truly transient cost expectation for Cardano, generally is ADA a wise speculation, or so they fundamentally thought. We utilize really relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, basic moving certainly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to all things considered, examine the future development of the Cardano in a sort of large manner. The ADA United States dollar moving extremely normal union and uniqueness, MACD, marker, fundamentally is showing a very present moment, especially sell essentially signal is the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath in every practical sense, signal line which basically implies truly bears especially are overwhelming on the lookout, or so they truly thought. While ADA's Williams %R marker explicitly is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange really signal most certainly is certainly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that the fundamentally by and large market cap for ADA, especially is $10,553,053,547 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 12.91% throughout the week. Showing how the kind of generally speaking market cap for ADA explicitly is $10,553,053,547 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 12.91% over the course of the week in an unpretentious manner.